Well, here it is. UPS ran late tonight, I guess, to bring this to me. Thank you, boys. Appreciate it. It's a Gateway 2000 keyboard. I mostly got this so I could just match some of the systems that I have. I've got at least one desktop down here, and I've got two more towers that all use the same branding, but I didn't have any keyboards that matched it. Pretty clean overall, I guess. I mean, there's a little bit of dirt up here and some stuff in the tracking or whatever, but it's fairly clean. We've got some shine on our keycaps. This has definitely been used a lot. This enter key is particularly bad. Right here, it's really shiny. Yeah. And then you come over here to this side, and this is nice and textured. Up here, it's nice and textured. You can really see the texture here on these keys because they would not have been used very much. And then here in the space bar where the thumb would rest, got some shine there, but then over here we don't. See if I can get that in the light, but I really can't. It's just not working out. It's not really showing. Anyway, I'm sure you believe me. Yeah, not much to really say about it. Let's see. ATXT auto sensing. That's interesting. We've got some feet that are recessed in here. Is that a push button? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, they lock. You gotta push it in. Okay, very cool. 1991 maxi switch. No idea if that really means anything. Some dip switches. I guess in case that auto sensing feature doesn't work out. Let's take a look under here. Yeah. Dome with a slider on top of it. So, still a mechanism of some kind, but still rubber domes with a membrane underneath, I'm sure. Some crud under there, but honestly not too bad for a 30-year-old keyboard. Let's take a look at these keycaps. Pretty thin. I guess it's ABS. It would make sense since they're all shiny. Yeah. Anyway, no real legend fade or anything, so as far as the quality of the legends, pretty good, but keycaps themselves are thin. Yeah, this is concerning though. This cable's a little shot. I got a lot of cracks all throughout it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh boy. That's really bad in the coil. So, yeah, it's got like a rubber, like a rubber texture. It's just a rubber coating on this wire. And I'm sure it was just stored very poorly. Probably went through a lot of heat cycles and just cracked to relieve the pressure. So, yeah. We may have to replace that cable. I'm not sure how that'll go. Anyway, that's the keyboard. We're at 4 minutes. I think said all there needs to be said about this. I'll give it a good cleaning. See if there's anything I can do. Improve the sound. Get rid of the rattle and the stabilizers, but yeah, the usual. All right, guys, take care.